Hi, I'm Cameron Haney with Makita Power Tools here at Acme Tools in Duluth, Minnesota. I want to show you our GAG06. This is our 4.5, 5-inch XGT grinder running off of our 40-volt XGT platform. A couple of features on this tool. It does have an electric brake that it is equipped with. It also has our AWS system, so you can hook it up via Bluetooth to a vacuum for dust extraction. Also has our anti-feedback technology. What that does is that if the wheel is forced to stop for any reason, it'll automatically shut the motor off so it does not damage the tool or the user. Also has a quick and easy rotatable guard on here as well. Vibration dampening handle and then variable speed as well. So we're gonna have Heath here from Acme do a little demo. All right, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact your local Acme Tools or acmetools.com, and don't forget to do your best work.